Hi, I'm Matt O'Rourke, Master Plumber and President of Z Plumbers. Before we begin, please be sure to refer to the installation guide and specification sheet. Always check your local plumbing code. Let's begin. We are now going to install the Anthem digital remote on-off control. We're going to start by setting up the button by installing the battery supplied. Follow the instructions for pairing. When you finish completion of the pairing, make sure that the operation for the location you're going to install works before installing. We are now going to install the bracket in the desired location, and we're going to verify that the control is connected to the valve. Secure the bracket so that it is snug, so it does not rotate. We will now insert the cap over the screw. We are now going to install the control onto the bracket. It is quarter turn style. Ensure that the logo is level. The remote control cannot be installed inside the shower and must be installed within range of the valve. This concludes our installation of the Anthem digital remote on-off control. For additional support, please contact the Kohler Trade Hotline, 920-803-3927. Available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time.